Hey everybody, it's Daniel with thesmashcake.com. And did you know that you could have your favorite smash cake images featured on our Instagram feed? And all you have to do that is add the hashtag #TheSmashCakeEducation. Simple as that. And then you will have your images featured on our feed and you'll get all sorts of love and you will join the party over on Instagram on our page, The Smash Cake Education. So go ahead and do that to your favorite single image post, no video, and you will start seeing the love pour in. See you guys later. Bye-bye.